Okay, guys, I have my nail drill. Doesn't really have a name. It's what it is. Sometimes I think life will be simpler if we just have this is what it is. And be like, I got the nail Expo 55,000. There's no such thing. I'm just being facetious. But anyways, nail drill machine. Actually, machine. It's okay. They got that right though. Enjoy your home nail care moment. Okay. Anyways, let's go ahead and get going. Okay. First things first, let's go ahead and turn it on. I moved the nail light because for me to show you all this, I want you to see the dial here. And so the nail light is off to the side. And incidentally, let me turn off my tripod light because I want to be fair. So it's still fairly bright, you guys. This light, I'm moving it back and forth. So it's really a bright light. So let's go ahead and turn it on. And then I'm going to turn my nail. Did I pause it? Hold on. Oh, I'm not going to tell y'all what I just did. It's totally me. It was totally me. Now that we have it. Let me share something. Hold on. This is my nail. So in fairness, my nail drill is more quiet than the actual nail duster, absorber, upper. I don't know what to call it. But anyways, they call it a nail cleaner machine, but it really is the dust that's being cleaned. But anyways, let's go ahead and get to it and see how it works. I want to reverse this. Hold on. Okay. Well, I'm going to zoom in so you guys can see. Maybe it's closer. The dust is going there. I don't have any dust on my fingers from the table that I could see. So it actually works. But in fairness, if you do have it above the little contraption here, you would think that it would, but it seems to be really collecting really in the center there, so it seems to be working, guys. Okay, almost done, guys. Almost done with this hand. Got the whole other hand to go. Okay, so this is how much dust that this machine has collected after I finish removing the polish off of both of my hands. So all in all, I have used it a few more times after this, and it does what it says it's meant to do. So I would give it a thumbs up, and if anything changes, I'll let you guys know.